Okay, let's invite our first corporate guest for the morning. Girish Agarwal, the director of DB Corp, joins us to speak about his quarter's numbers. Girish, it's a good set of numbers actually. One analyst has even chosen to call it an excellent set of numbers. Take us through what went right. Have you seen a sizable increase in subscriptions, realizations? Take us through the key positives this quarter.
See, our main growth has come from the advertising only, because if you see, we have grown around 21% in the advertising. So that's a large chunk of growth for us and the business also. And also in the advertising, most of the states, whether it's Rajasthan or Gujarat or Punjab, they all have performed. And importantly, all the segments, like for example, real estate or automobile, they all have performed. Like the real estate growth has been almost to the tune of 38% YOY. So I think all the efforts which our team did, all the innovations we tried in the selling has really worked pretty good so far.
Do you think you'll be able to push the envelope then and push up your rates as you get closer to the festival season?
See, that's one thing which we internally keep telling ourselves all the time, that we need to further do it more. How much we can do it going forward, I think that we'll be able to reveal only when the next quarter comes in. But one good thing I've seen in the market, that wherever we have taken the rates up or the discounts coming down, I think that has really helped us, because there has not been major volume play. It is all the yield play in our revenue so far.
Girish, hi, morning. Your ad revenues grew about 20% in this particular quarter. Going ahead, what kind of trajectory do you think you can sustain in terms of ad revenues in the next couple of quarters, or even for the whole of FY14?
See, we feel this momentum should continue in the quarters to come, because the monsoon in our markets have been pretty good. And also there's an election in a couple of our markets. So the government spend on the market has improved. So there are a lot of jobs being created by the government, a lot of facilities being provided by government to the people. So I think with all that, the money is going to come in the market. So we feel that this number hopefully should continue like that, maybe slightly better also.
And what about the radio business? What kind of realizations did you do over there this quarter, and what kind of improvement are you hoping to see as in the quarters that are coming up?
If you see in radio, we have increased by 22% on the top line, but at the same time the EBITDA has gone up by almost 69% in that business. So we feel radio, since the cost been able to control, I think going forward, if this 22-24% growth continues in radio, then there'll be a substantial jump on the EBITDA margin over there.
Okay, therefore, Girish, if you have to give us some idea of a guidance for the full year, what can you say? I mean, will you be able to maintain this kind of a run rate on income and, more importantly, margins, nearly 30%?
See, the margin, if you look at my mature edition market, we are at 36%, and the overall margin is at around 30%. And I think if this kind of number, what the market indicates, should continue, then I think the margins at this range should be able to maintain. You know, we are working hard for that.
All right, Girish, thanks so much for joining us and giving us your view on the company and the performance. DB Corp, good set of numbers. As you can see, the stock as well is up almost about 5% or so. Let's get talking about the economy as a whole.